So it is showing me all the formulas that I have used.
Okay,
Just
I see.
yeah, just drag this F1 a bit more.
You want me to pull it down?
No, to the right, so that you can see the full sum product formula.
Acha, acha, I see.
Not so much, not so much, not so
Uh,
much. One more cell will do. Or double click on the side between F and G. Just double click between F and G. Yeah, it will auto expand. That's it. Now you can see all the formulas.
okay, yeah.
So if you slowly go to the right, you will see
Mm-hmm.
the sum if s, one cell at a time. Just go one cell at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Count if s, count
Mm-hmm.
a, count b blank.
Mm-hmm. This will make life much easier for me. So what I used to do previously was when I were to find a count of something or the other, I used to try and find out by watching videos on the YouTube, which
Okay.
yielded no results to me.
Okay.
But then with the FX, with the knowledge of FX now,
Right.
with the tab that I have here,
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay.
things have become much more
Okay.
easier for me.
Now let's move forward a little more. Go to the left again. Now, I'm sure you will agree this type of a price chart is a terrible way to put a price chart,
Okay, right?
right?
Yes.
Now let's open up
Right.
another sheet.
New one or
Yes, new one,
within this one
new one,
only?
new one.
Okay.
Now here on the left, you
Mm-hmm.
put starting
Mm-hmm.
from you had that other sheet, right? Oh, you went to that other workbook. Okay, go back to that other workbook. Just copy all the brands from there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, copy them, paste it. Okay. Now go to that other one for the items. Copy them, go back and put it there. Paste it.
Okay.
Now go to the next cell, C2,
Mm-hmm.
say equal to C2, go to C2, equal to, type
Mm-hmm.
UNI,
Mm-hmm.
that
This
unique,
one?
yes,
Okay.
and select B2 to B13,
The total number of brands
enter.
I'll get.
These are my unique brands
Okay.
because others were repeated.
Yeah.
Let's do the same thing. Let's drag the formula from C2 to D2.
Okay. What
C2,
I'll do is I'll select the entire formula and then okay. But
now
what
click on
about Dell
mobile,
Asus and Acer?
click on mobile, D2.
Okay.
Let's look at the formula. It is looking at unique values between B2 to B13. That is what we wanted.
Yes.
Much easier way to get unique values.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
if you remember, we had talked about transpose. I want this mobile, laptop, desktop to go on
Mm-hmm.
the x-axis. They are on the y-axis.
Yes.
I want them as column headers from D1 to F1.
So what I'll do
Mobile,
is
no,
I'll
not
select
all of them. Only mobile, laptop, desktop. The unique values.
mobile. Acha, acha, okay. So data, transpose data, I guess somewhere from here. Text to columns? No. Have they renamed it? Um, uh, not here. Never. Not down here. I think from here only. What I'll do is transpose data.
Okay, go to
Is
home.
this the one?
No,
Have they
no,
renamed it?
no, no, no.
Okay.
Go to home,
Okay.
copy it,
Okay. I do a copy.
Copy. There's the copy. And then go to the next cell and first do paste values.
Okay.
Go to
So
paste,
what I'll do is paste
paste
values.
values. Yes. So you get the actual values. Earlier it was a formula,
Okay.
right?
Correct.
Now again copy this E2 to E4. Copy it. Now go
Mhm.
to D1. Click on D1.
Okay.
D1.
D1.
Yeah. Cell above that.
Okay. Okay. D1. Correct. I see.
Now go to paste and you will find under paste special, there's a transpose option.
This one, na?
Yeah. Got it? Now
Hmm.
clear out these D2 to E4. Clear them. Yeah. Now let's quickly put in some values for Apple. Let's say mobile phone is 70,000. Laptop is 120,000. Desktop is 150,000. Let's say. Now just put in some values for the other ones. You can put in a series also.
Let's do a random series here.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll series step value of say 500.
Yeah. Okay.
Do I need
No
to?
need. You have already selected the
Okay.
column, so no need.
Okay.
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 Now, anything after SR, clear that out from 73,000 to 15,300. So this is like now your price chart. You have Apple, Samsung, HP, Dell, Asus, Acer selling mobile laptop desktops. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
say type in the cell D9 in D9. Go to D9.
D9.
D9. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Brand. And below that, write item.
Okay.
Now, next to brand,
Mhm.
write any of the brands that we have there. Any. Okay. Now, don't go there. Go to E11.
E11. Okay.
Click there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look up the price of an Apple laptop.
Okay.
Can you help me do that?
Apple laptop, right?
Hmm.
Apple laptop. Okay. I need to look up the value, the price of an Apple laptop only. Apple laptop. I don't have an Apple laptop here.
No, not there. Your source is from C2, right?
Okay. Oh, Apple. You want me to
Get the
check the
price of
price?
Apple laptop.
Apple laptop would be. I need to select. Not the entire pro. What I'll do is probably return.
No, remove the E2, E7,
Okay.
click on FX.
Okay.
First is lookup value. So your lookup value,
E2.
instead of C2, make it as E9. That is where I asked you to type the brand.
Yes.
Click E9.
Okay.
Make it E9 instead of C2.
Okay. I see now.
Now,
Okay.
table array. Table array means click on table array row. Table array means that is the table from where I'm going to get the data, where the leftmost column is my apple.
Okay.
Okay. So I will start from C2 all the way to F7. That's my
Okay.
table array. This is my
So I'm
data set.
looking for Apple, which is in E9 within C2 to F7, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And column index
Column
number
will
is in which column will I find that value which I'm looking for. I'm looking for a laptop. Laptop is in which column?
okay. E.
E. But if I look at my table array, what is the number? No, no, no,
This
no,
much.
no, no, no.
Okay.
Remove that E2 to S. Column index number is a number. That's why they're saying number.
Number 5.
No. Yes. Again, don't get confused.
Okay.
Forget column A and B. Our table is starting from C.
Okay.
So
I see.
laptop is
I
in
see.
which column?
It would be 1, 2, 3, 3.
Correct. Type 3. See, you have a result.
Yeah.
And range lookup is basically true or false. Go to range lookup.
Okay.
If you want an exact match
Okay.
to your apple, sometimes your apple may be spelled as APPL. So you want a closest
Okay.
match. But if you want an exact match, say false or leave it blank. Or sorry,
Okay. The
make it
opposite way
false.
around.
Yeah, false.
So I'll have to
Yeah,
either
you can
select
leave it
1 or
blank or you can
0.
say false. You can type false
Okay.
and say okay. Okay.
The result would have been the same if I would have selected true also, if I'm not wrong.
Instead of 3.
No, instead, when I selected the range, if I had selected instead of false, had I selected true,
Oh, here
I
because
think
it is
the
all
result for
matching
this,
up.
yes,
That's why.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So, say for example, like uh, I'll give you an example. Abhishek can be spelled as
Correct. Correct.
ABHISHEK
Exactly.
and also
Exactly. Exactly. But
ABHIACK.
but that requires your data to be sorted.
Okay,
Otherwise, you will get strange results.
okay, okay.
Okay.
I have a
Now,
lot of questions. I
yes,
have a lot of questions,
I
but
will
then I
answer
will
all your
not be asking
questions.
them now.
Yeah, just
But I
hold
will
on.
not be asking
Let
them
me
now.
finish.
Yes, okay.
Now,
Okay.
let's test out our formula.
Okay.
We put in apple by hand and then we went
Mm-hmm.
and did something. We look up, we manipulated that formula. So let's see
Okay.
how good our formula is. Instead of
Okay.
now that apple, let's go and overwrite it and make it as Dell
Okay.
with the same exact spelling. Not there, not there. In the brand
Here.
E9. No, no, no. I am not going to touch my source.
Okay. Acha.
Yes,
I
that's
see.
why I made you write it there.
Okay.
DELL. No, capital. Because it should match.
Okay.
Enter.
Yep. Perfect.
It's working. Now let's try
Yeah.
another one.
Okay.
Acer.
Hmm.
Samsung.
Acha, it was. um, The same order.
So it's working fine now.
Yes.
Now, let's say I am only talking about laptop. You will say, what is this, sir? I could ask for mobile, I could buy a desktop.
Correct.
You can't hold me just to the laptop each time.
Correct.
True. So let's type the
Mhm.
word item over there as laptop. No, next to that, next to, no, no. Below Samsung,
Yeah.
let's make it laptop. Keep it in caps.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, if I want to choose desktop or mobile without manual intervention, like you showed me that Excel sheet of yours, you have so many
Mhm.
columns there. It
Okay.
may not always be physically possible. You are doing it. I know you're doing it, but it's not
Mhm.
worth your time to, go and physically count the column number.
Correct.
Where is my customer ID? Where is my GL ID? Where is my salesperson? Which column? You're counting it, right?
Correct. Correct.
Better way to do that is
Mhm.
go to that. Okay, say here equal to
Mhm.
match,
Mhm.
choose match, go to FX. What match will do is match will return you the position of the matching value.
Okay.
So match, what do I want to match? Lookup value. What do I want to look up?
Either mobile, laptop, or desktop.
No, I want to here in this case, I want to match E10, which is laptop, right? Where
Okay.
you wrote that
Okay.
laptop just now, E10. Click on
Okay.
E10.
Okay.
Lookup array. Where is my lookup array? Click on lookup array. From where do I want the matching column? From D1 to F1.
D1 to F1. Correct.
See, it is telling me the position is 2.
Okay.
And match type, go to match type. There are 3 options.
Mhm.
-1, 0, 1. For
Okay.
now, let's say 0. 0 means exact. We'll see example
Okay.
of 1, -1 later. And press enter.
Okay. Number 2. Okay.
That is what we were passing in our 120, 500 calculation. Go to that VLOOKUP
Yes.
calculation F11, E11, sorry, E11. Number 3,
Mhm.
we
Mhm.
were manually counting that column number, right?
Yes.
Now, why is the difference? Here we said column 3 and why is it coming column 2 here?
Because I selected the ranges between D and F, and here in the previous case scenario we selected the ranges between C and F.
Perfect. You got it. So all I have to do is I have to hike it up by 1, jack it up by 1,
Mm-hmm.
2 plus 1,
Mm-hmm.
and I will get my result.
Correct.
Isn't it?
Absolutely. So is this match function the same as index matching?
Similar.
Okay.
Index
So,
match gives you from a flat row. Index
okay.
can be like a matrix. You know the matrix
Okay.
determinants we did in college or high school,
Okay.
like that.
Hmm.
Now, let's test it out. We are not done. Laptop. Let's make it desktop.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Correct? But see, the value of that 120, 500 didn't change.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's do some magic and let's make it totally dynamic. Go to the
Okay.
cell below,
Okay.
say equal to,
Mhm.
we look up, double click that. FX. Lookup value. What do I want to look up? The brand Samsung. E9.
Okay. E9.
E9.
Yes.
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 Table array is again C2 to F7. No, next. No, don't go back. You are in C1. No. You are in C1.
C.
You are in lookup value. Your cursor is blinking on lookup
Oh,
value.
oh, I'm sorry.
It
I'm
should be
so sorry.
C1.
Yes, I'm so sorry. This has to be
Samsung. E1. E9. Sorry,
E
E9.
E9. Yes.
E9. It's E10. E9.
E9.
You can manually do it also. Remove that E10 plus. Yes.
Hmm.
Now click on table array and choose
Okay.
Apple to F7.
Yes, sir.
C2. Yeah. C2 to F7.
Okay.
F7 till F7. F7.
F7. Acha. The entire thing.
That's my entire table, right?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
column index number.
Mm-hmm.
This time I'm going to not put it manually. I'll put a match.
Okay.
Click on column index number.
Okay.
Say match. Open the bracket. Match what?
Mm-hmm.
Match desktop. Item desktop. Item desktop. E10. E10.
E10. Acha.
Comma.
Okay. Comma.
From where do I want? From D1 to F1.
B1 to F1. Okay.
D1. D1. D1.
D1, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Comma.
Hmm.
0. Now, close that bracket. If I use column 3, which is
Hmm.
desktop,
Hmm.
I'm actually getting the wrong result.
Okay.
Why? Because it's not column 3. It should be one more. If I'm starting my count
Column
from
4. Yes.
yes, so put plus
C.
1 there. Plus 1.
So where do I put +1?
Right after
Here.
that. Yeah.
Okay. And I hit enter.
And range lookup. Click on range lookup.
Okay.
Is true. Okay. Now let's see what we did. We got a desktop.
I looked up desktop within the range
Double
E9.
click inside that formula. Double click inside that formula. Yes, that will tell you everything.
Okay. I looked up the blue is E9 within the range C2 to F7. I did a match on E10 to D. E10 is desktop between D1 to F1. I put in a 0 because I wanted an exact match, and I had to select 1 because there's this extra column
I had
for
to
the
add it.
brands here.
Yes.
Yes. And then I did true because I wanted a exact result.
Correct. Now see, go
Okay.
to FX.
Okay.
It is showing me the result as 152,500.
Okay.
If you look at 152,500, that is the value of Acer desktop, not of Samsung.
Yes.
So which is not correct.
Correct.
Now let's go to true and make it
Okay.
false.
Now it is.
See the difference between,
I knew when I select through, it shows, it will give me the exact result that I'm looking for, the exact criteria, right?
provided it is sorted. I'll repeat that again.
Okay, I missed that out.
If it is not sorted, you will not get the
Mhm.
same result.
So sorted as in, when I speak of sorting, I'm looking out for the brand Samsung
Yes.
and the desktop.
Correct.
So it had to be sorted. Column C had to be sorted alphabetically,
Yes.
and then D, E, and F also had to be
Correct.
sorted
Correct.
alphabetically. Is it
Correct.
so?
Only if once you select that, once you sort column C, that's good enough.
Okay,
Now let's try
okay.
this out. Let's change Samsung to Dell. And let's,
Hmm.
item is desktop. See, it changed. Let's change the item to mobile.
Hmm.
It's totally dynamic. No
Yes.
human intervention, so to speak.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now, another
I'll
thing.
practice this the entire day tomorrow. I'm very serious about it. This is
Yeah,
something that I have been waiting for.
yeah. Now
So
click on
I'll
that
keep doing this tomorrow.
71,500 one more time.
71,500 one more
Where
time.
we are referring to this C2 to F7, what you can do
Mhm.
is you can highlight, you now know how to name a range. So you can give that
Mhm.
C2 to F7, C2
Mhm.
to F7, C2, C2, C2.
C2 to F7. Okay.
Go to that and name it as my data. Enter. No, 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 without space.
So without space, na?
Always. This is always without space. Enter.
Okay.
Now, the good thing about this is, now go and do this. We look up again in 71,000, just below 71,500. Below that.
Mhm. Okay.
Try it on your own. This Dell and mobile, same thing. I want you to try it
Okay.
on your own.
We look up. I select Dell. I select.
No, no, no,
I'll do a
no, no.
comma
Click on
here.
FX. Click on FX.
Acha, acha. You want me to go that way?
Yeah,
Okay.
that will be easier. At least
So
initially do that.
FX table array. I have to look up from here. Is that
Click
so?
on table array.
Okay.
What was the name you gave? No, don't have to do there anything. Don't go there.
Okay.
Be here.
Okay.
What name
Okay.
you gave?
My data.
See, your data is getting highlighted there. It's already selected.
I see. Huh. Apple. Okay. Okay.
Now go to
Okay.
column index
So
number.
this will not get highlighted by itself in the screen, right?
Correct.
Like,
Correct.
never
You
mind.
can see it there
Okay.
and do that match
So
with
it
the
will be,
mobile.
I can put in directly 4 or
No,
probably.
no, do it with match. It will be practice for you also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
First
Huh.
match.
Match. Match. Open parenthesis. I would select the
Hmm.
close the cell,
No, no,
then
no, no, no,
plus.
no, 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 no. Comma.
Okay.
There are
Comma.
multiple.
Acha, 0.
Yes.
0.
No, not
0.
zero yet. What do you want to match? Match what?